my project deals with the use of visible light for data transfer and communication. Basic concept of data communication is that there are radio masts around the world. There are about 1.4 million radio masts in the world, and there are about 5 million of these mobile phones. Now, these data, using this, we transfer about 600 terabytes of data every month. We are running out of spectrum. Now, what we have is the visible light spectrum, which is still undetected, unused. Using this visible light spectrum, which is about 10,000 times the radio frequency spectrum, there are about 14 billion LED lights already present in the world. 1.4 into 10,000 gives you the 14 billion that is already there. So we have the infrastructure. 4 problems that we are dealing with are capacity, efficiency, availability and security. How we are dealing with that? Firstly, availability, we have the light source, we have the power. Efficiency, LEDs consume very little power, therefore they are highly energy efficient. Thirdly, capacity, we have 10,000 times the spectrum. The data transfer needs more receivers than visible light because the wavelength is not as much. And lastly, security. Security is the highest because there is no data where there is no light. Standing in this room, people cannot access my data from beyond the wall, which they can in case of radio frequency. What I have done is used a very small application of this in a room. Ultimately, my scope is to increase this to replace the Wi-Fi system in high security places. Show you a demonstration of this. This is your voltage supply. I'm switching on this voltage supply. The light transfer, the LDR receives, the buzzer plays. At very fast modulation speeds, I can transfer 1010 binary data using the modulations. With many of these used in parallel, you can have the entire data transfer taking place. If one can transmit this sound signal, just imagine how many of these LEDs put together will be able to transmit sound signal. We have visible light spectrum, we have the infrastructure already there. The data transfer is possible as we have seen from the model. Only thing left is to implement it in a small scale in a room. However, there is a future scope of using this idea for large scale communication. The main point of it is the cost is very little. LEDs do not cost much. We have plenty of visible light spectrum and the security. If a person can stand in front of me and steal money from my front pocket, then I'm pretty sure he deserves to have that money. He cannot access my data from behind my back.